Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to use Simplii Financial app. So basically the first step is to simply download the Simplii Financial app on your mobile phone. So you can simply go to App Store or Google Play Store and download the free app. And after that you're going to have to create your account. So you can simply go to Simplii Financial account and then simply click on join, and then you're gonna get redirected here. And as you can see, you have different options. So you have accounts, you have credit cards, you have mortgages, borrowing, investments. So all you have to do is simply choose any of these and click on apply now, and then you can simply open the app, and then you can log into your account, and here you can manage your money. You can make transfers, you can pay bills. As you can see, you can deposit checks, you can transfer money, and other features here. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.